Good morning, everybody. My name is Karen Castaneda. I'm going to be your English tutor for level 4A. So basically, the idea of this video is to show you how you have to work in Moodle platform. The first thing that we are going to do is that you are going to click here on your courses. Well, you are going to have just one course. I have many, but this is your course, so you always need to click on English 4 Intermediate A in this case. And we are going to review right here step by step what you have to do during this week. So let's start. Here, the first thing that you have to do is you need to check the announcements. So you are going to find the announcements right here. I have the first one. This is about the welcome to your course. So please read carefully everything. So it says, "Good morning, dear students. It's a pleasure to be your English tutor in this course. In order to take advantage of this course and develop it as smooth as possible, please read the following recommendations. Read the term and conditions agreement document carefully, and you have to accept it. Check the Moodle platform, the introductory week. Get familiar with all the resources. Remember that in this week, you need to ask for a password. So this is the sample that you need to write to me. So just there are some blanks. Please, you need to complete those blanks with the right information. So it's about you. And remember that I don't answer your requests on weekends. So you need to write, the last day to write is going to be on September 18th at 5 p.m. That is next Friday. This is the first thing that you have to do. You need to read the announcements. Okay, now we are going to check the first tab. This is the introductory week. So remember that you always have a schedule and you have to follow the schedule. It goes from September 14th to September 19th. This is the video, so if you click right here, you are going to check this video. The next part, you have this document. The document is in Spanish. Read carefully the document, and you have the course elements. You have how we are going to work in every lesson, the activities. You have the things that you need to read, the things that we are going to follow during every week, how you are going to start the course. Read carefully, this part is about the passwords. This is the final test. Remember that the final test is a face-to-face test. So you need to come to a university and you need to check the schedule. Your grades, the way that you have to communicate with the tutor. In this case, I have here my Gmail account and my Skype username. You need to make sure that all the things or all the requests are in English, because this is level 4, so this is an intermediate level. Check how many days you have to ask for claims. And when you have read all the information and you agree with the courts, with all the requirements, so you are gonna click here. Okay, next we have the objectives of the course. So basically, you need to get, during this week, you need to get familiar with this online learning environment. So you need to recognize the different elements. Here you have my tutor schedule. So if you have any problem, if you have any issue, I'm going to be online. I'm going to be on in Skype, or if you want to go to the university, so it's going to be on Monday from 15 to 20, and I have Wednesday and Thursday from 7 to 12. This is my Skype ID, Karen.Castaneda64, and this is my email. Well, what else you have to check here? You have the grammar contents. Those are the grammar structures that we are going to study during this level. And next, you are going to have tell me more structures, and you have lab work collaborate instructions. It is very important to check the schedule. So here you have all the lessons, and you know when you have to come to the university. So remember, the final test is a face-to-face test. So you are going to receive like a month before, you are going to receive a message about the specific date that you need to come to the university. It could be on December 3rd, 4th, or 5th. Okay, we already checked this one, and we are going to have, always you are going to have a self-assessment activity. It means for this week, it is about the terms and conditions document. In order to take your first assessment activity, you need to write to me and asking for the first password. But remember that in order to do that, you need to check this sample that you have here. Okay, so if you have any problem, any issue, you need to write to me as soon as possible. Welcome to the course, and I hope you enjoy it.